Barcelona lift the Copa del Rey Cup as they beat Real Madrid 3-2 in extra time.
Yeah, and it was a very convincing win for Barcelona, even though the game was pretty close. But it was more of Real Madrid losing the game than Barcelona winning the game because we were leading at 2-1 at like what 75th minute. All we had to do was shut shop and close them out and not attack or counter or anything. But we
Park
left
the bus.
we left full spaces in the defense
Yeah,
outside the
was
box,
terrible.
and Barcelona, rightfully so, took full advantage of it. They closed us.
Yeah.
And there are a lot of things in this game which were not right. Firstly, even though I'm a Madrid fan, I would want to say that there is no point in going and trying to attack the referee.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm all for protesting against wrong calls,
Yeah, but not
you
physical.
Can't, yeah, you can't behave like that, throwing eyes and stuff, and all those things are not cool because, and because of that, the problems that they're going to create now is that they're going to ban Rudiger for the rest of the season. Probably he might get like 4 to 12 match ban. So according to that, if it's like 12 match ban and all, he won't be playing for the rest of the season, which is a huge blow for Real Madrid in terms of league.
Yeah.
And it's just a stupid mistake.
Yeah.
But although he just, I think just now he issued a public statement apologizing to the referees, but still.
Yeah, it's still not okay.
Yeah, and let's talk about Vinicius Junior. I don't think it's working, man, with Vinicius Junior and Mbappe both together in the attack. It's just not working. It's like
a
each
solo game.
Yeah, they both are just taking away each other's potential.
Yeah.
And yesterday, Vinicius Junior, I don't know why he was
just didn't pass.
Yeah, we could have gone a 5-1 or 5-2 or something like that. If he just passed the ball. Yeah. I don't know if you have to renew that contract. But
and the amount he's asking for is also nuts.
Yeah, it's crazy, but I mean, it's time for Ancelotti to move out of Madrid. I mean, I respect...
Madrid has had quite a few blows off late coming from Arsenal too.
Yeah, I respect Carlo Ancelotti very much because the kind of silverware he's won for us, it's crazy, but nothing comes bigger than
the club.
That's it.
Anyway, y'all let us know what you thought about the game, and we'll see you in the next one.